Hi, my name is Erin and I'm a physical therapist here at Oceanside. Today we're going to go through one of my favorite movements to address the mobility of some of the surrounding tissues to the pelvic floor, as well as the nervous system by focusing on some rotation through the rib cage. And so we'll get started in an all-fours position. So planting the hands under the shoulders, the knees under the wrists. We'll bring the right leg out to the side, any amount that's comfortable for you. And as you settle in here, just take a couple breaths. Notice how this feels initially, maybe identifying some places you feel sensation. And on your next breath in, we'll slowly start to rock back, thinking about lengthening the tailbone behind you. Exhale to come back forward. Inhaling to rock back, imagining the sit bones widening as you sit back. And then exhaling, pulling the hands forward. One more time here, inhaling, sit back through the hips, lengthening through the tailbone. And then as you exhale, come back forward. From here, we'll plant the left arm. And on our inhale, reach the right arm skyward, lifting towards the ceiling. As you exhale, thread that right arm under the left. Inhaling to reach, rotating through the rib cage, and exhale as you reach under. Once more here, inhaling. And exhaling back down. From here, we'll just replace that right knee down. Bring the left leg out to the side. And we'll start to take that same rocking back action. So, thinking about flexing through the hips to sit back and then coming forward. Again, inhale, think about the sit bones widening, tailbone lengthening. Exhale to come forward. Once more on this side here, inhaling to sit back, keeping that integrity through our abdominal canister here. And we'll come to a resting position. This time plant through the right hand. Inhale the left arm skyward. Exhale, reach, rotate under the right armpit. Inhale, press through the right arm, reach tall, and exhale to rotate. Once more here, inhale, and then exhale to lower. Bring both knees back down to the mat, and you can just sit your hips back into a child's pose or whatever position's comfortable for you here. And take a couple breaths in this position, allowing your forehead to be soft on the mat. And as you breathe here, thinking about finding some space through the rib cage, as if you could expand the ribs towards the ceiling.